Today we are going to learn about the indicators to tell whether a substance is acidic or basic. Here it is. Now students, you are seeing on the board, it's written about indicators. Just have a look. Now children, over here I have written about the 4 indicators over here: litmus, turmeric, phenolphthalein and methyl orange. And then I have written base, acid and about all the colors. Right. So before going for this, first of all, we will learn a trick to memorize about the indicators, whether it is acidic or basic, with the help of the color changes. So the trick is, that is, you will only memorize label, try, popcorn with Mayer. And the blue indications which are given, there only we have to give the emphasis. And where it is written with is only to complete the sentence of, that is, labor, try, popcorn with Mayer. That's all. Now before proceeding further, you will always keep it in mind that first you will write base and then acid. Please do not do opposite. First base and then acid. Now let us go for this trick. Now if I see this labor part and I always correlate with litmus like this. How? L, labor of L, that means litmus. Labor of L indicates litmus. B indicates blue. R indicates red. But always keep it in mind that first you will write base and then acid. If you write opposite, then all opposite colors will come. Okay children, so you have to keep this in mind. Next is turmeric. So I will go for try. So this T stands for turmeric, R stands for red and Y stands for yellow. So hence this color is also done. Next is phenolphthalein. So I will go for, that is, popcorn. So this P stands for phenolphthalein. Again P stands for pink and C stands for colorless. Next, methyl orange. Now M stands for, that is, methyl orange. Y stands for yellow and R stands for red. And in this way, we have understood and learned about the color changes in base as well as acid.